Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I created this beautiful PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT Add-in directly inside PPT. Yes, no need to go anywhere else. First, let us open PPT and then click on Add-ins in the Home tab. Search for ChatGPT for PowerPoint and click on Add. And now it get installed on your right side. Now just click on Create from Topic and type your topic. I'll be typing as solar system, and then we have to select number of slides. So I'll be selecting 6 and then click on continue. It gave me complete content, headings, and then if I click on continue, it will even suggest a design. I can select whichever the design I wanted. So I'll click on this design and click on continue. It is taking time to generate content, and once the content is generated, we can see the slides. Yes, already it is showing the slides which we asked for 6, and the complete PPT is done with a beautiful design, proper formatting, and clear info. Thank you.